Hey Jay!
Hello, Lucy.
Today we're going to talk about how to report beliefs and rumors.
Hey, Lucy, did you hear about the SpaceX mission to Mars?
No, what happened?
Well, it's reported that there's liquid water on Mars, and it's believed that there could be alien life.
Whoa, that's wild! And what's even wilder is you use the passive to report a rumor.
Oh, what do you mean?
Let me show you. So we start with it and then the passive. Be plus the past participle. In this case, the verbs reported or believed. After that, just put whatever information you're talking about as a clause. We use this structure to talk about rumors and beliefs.
Okay, so with the verb be, does it have to be is?
No, you could do was or has been or will be or anything that goes with it. It just depends on what time you're talking about.
Okay, I see. And so why don't we just say there could be alien life?
Hey, look, we don't know if that's true. There may be nothing up there. So we use this structure to report rumors or beliefs, things that may not be 100% true.
Okay, I see. And what comes after it is believed or it is reported?
Well, afterward, you put the word that, and then you put the rumor or belief. As in, it's believed that there could be alien life.
All right, okay, great. I think I've got it. So what did we learn today?
Well, we learned how to report beliefs and rumors using the passive. So what else does it say about the mission to Mars?
Well, it's also believed that they may build a hotel on Mars.
No way!
Yeah, seriously.
Well, I know where I'm taking my next holiday.
I just hope the aliens turn out to be friendly.
Ooh.
Hello there! Hey, if you enjoyed that, you'll enjoy lots more at e2school.com. Check out the website, and also if you haven't yet done it, hit the subscribe button.